Hello, I appreciate it's not hot everywhere today, but where it is hot, it's the peak of the heat and it's the last hot day until the next hot spell. So, for Wednesday afternoon, for much of England and Wales, it's sunny skies, not completely wall-to-wall sunshine, some cloud is building, and there's some mistiness around southwestern coasts as well as North Sea coasts, where we've got the sunshine coming through, though, as I say, it's the peak of the heat. Temperatures reaching the mid to high 20s widely across England and Wales away from coasts, and 30 to 31 Celsius possible. We saw 30 Celsius on Tuesday, so perhaps a degree above that. Meanwhile, the far north of England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, significantly cooler. Temperatures back closer to average with extensive cloud here and some heavy showers for a time, especially later in the day for central and northern Scotland. Then overnight, you can see the first signs of the change taking place across northwestern parts with this swirl of cloud and rain and the winds circulating around an unseasonably deep area of low pressure. That's going to swing a weather front in, and it's that weather front that marks the boundary between the heat and the, well, less hot weather that's coming our way over the next couple of days. So for central, eastern and southern parts of England, it's another muggy night with temperatures not falling below 16 to 18 Celsius. It's going to feel fresher, meanwhile, for Scotland, Northern Ireland, perhaps West Wales and the southwest, although it's not going to be a chilly night by any stretch of the imagination. Most places will be in the teens. Then we've got that front sweeping through, and you can see how it marks the boundary between the warmth and the cooler Atlantic air, and look at those wind arrows. It's going to turn increasingly windy, especially for northwestern parts of the country. But we start Thursday with some sunshine and temperatures rising across East Anglia and the southeast. Then those temperatures stall as cloud arrives and the winds change direction, so certainly not as hot as previous days. Still plenty of sunshine. In fact, once the front goes through, we see more sunshine behind it, especially for central and southern parts of the UK. North Wales, Northern England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, blustery showers developing, some heavy downpours in places. And first thing as well, northeast Scotland sees some heavy downpours ahead of the main front that's coming in. Now for western Scotland and Northern Ireland, it's going to be particularly unseasonable with strong winds, gusts close to 50 miles an hour in places, and some heavy rain around. So it's certainly not going to feel very June-like, and if you've got outdoor activities or there are events taking place for Northern Ireland and western Scotland, yeah, that weather could be problematic. It's also going to feel much cooler in much of the UK, but yeah, we've got that wind and rain in the northwest, 15, 16 Celsius. East Anglia in the southeast, pleasant enough in the sunshine, but those temperatures not reaching the highs of previous days. Then into Thursday night, we'll see that low slowly traverse across northern parts of Scotland, again bringing spiralling bands of rain and showers to Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England. Drier further south with some clear spells overnight. That leads on to a mostly fine day in the south on Friday. Again, blustery in the north with further showers. And the weekend looks mixed. Temperatures mostly back to average, some rain, but also some sunshine and some drier weather at times.